In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. To do this, first just going to open up Robinhood to get your wallet address. So to do that, just go to the crypto tab and find the cryptocurrency that you want to send from crypto.com, which in my case will be Solana, so I'll just go to Solana right here. From there, scroll down and click receive. From there, you will see something like this, so here just click copy address, and then you have copied it. And after you do that, simply going to open up crypto.com. Then on crypto.com, what you want to do is go to accounts and then click crypto. And from there, click transfer and then withdraw. Now here, select to an external wallet at the bottom. And then just click plus and then select a wallet address. And here, search for the cryptocurrency that you want to send. So I'll use Solana since that's the wallet address that I copied. And from there, just paste in your wallet address. And make sure to set the network correctly. So in this case, Solana, and that's going to be on the Solana, and that's going to be on the Solana network. Then if it's your wallet address, just gonna select that. And then for the wallet type, click on it. And here then gonna search for Robinhood. Then you can give the wallet a name such as Robinhood. Then after you click continue, they will ask, do you trust this address? I'll say yes. After doing that, it will now be added and you can now select it from the list. So if I scroll down and find Solana, I will now have it right here. Then you can click confirm and withdrawal. Then choose how much you want to do. I'll click max. And then from there, click withdraw again. From there, you can then go and confirm it and you may need to enter a verification code. And after doing that, it will be deposited directly into your Robinhood account. So that's how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.